Alright boys, garage update. My buddy brought his box truck over and we basically filled the damn thing. I'm driving the street truck and I got my Grom in the back of the street truck, and then my buddy behind the box truck is driving the Kia. So we're making the trek to my other house and gonna unload everything in the new garage. And I hope to, you know, show a little bit of the new garage maybe today, but I obviously didn't want to make a bunch of videos saying that my garage was filled with my stuff and I wasn't there. So I'm gonna update now since pretty much everything's out. Alright guys, quick update. As you saw, I was just driving. I've recorded that with my phone, obviously. This is my new garage. It looks smaller, but it's because it's attached to the other garage through an office. So up in front is Jamie's garage, and then this is like Sloppy Studios in here. We're still working on it and doing everything. And I got my computer going. I just wired Ethernet through the wall. We just painted and cleaned everything up in here. I got, well, windows outside. Look at my backyard is gigantic. I went from no yard to 2 acres. So, bit of a difference. And then I got the sloppy suite. Almost done with the bathroom. But anyway, what's cool is it's his and hers garages. So there's the Evo, there's the Jeep, the truck. My motorcycle is in here. Still room to spare. Then I got like a wood stove here. I got my little, I can put all my quads and stupid shit in here, not take up any space in the house. And then I got a 2-car with drive-through bays, which is interesting, right? For a residence. I got my own driveway out here. It's we just had snow and ice storm last night, so the whole driveway is fucking snow and ice. And there's a truck. I brought the truck up last night. Brought the Grom, and I just have my shit everywhere. I mean, I got my shelves up, but I don't have enough stuff on them. It's interesting that it has a drive-through garage, man door over here. All 4 openers, funny enough. And then I have attic storage, which is gigantic, and it has its own lights and power up there and everything. It's pretty nuts. Yeah, it is a shit mess. I have just all of my stuff. We just unloaded out of my friend's box truck, so it's literally just laying everywhere. There's actually a wood stove out here too. Here's the dirt bikes. So I got a stove here for cheap heat. I got my workbench over here. I mean, it's gonna take me a little bit to figure out where I want everything, because I moved everything in my other garage like 5 or 6 times. But pretty cool. It has some crap shelves that will work and won't work, so I'm gonna debate whether or not I'm gonna use these smaller shelves, because they can't fit Rubbermaid bins. But these like Ollie's, Sam's Club, whatever, obviously do. So we're gonna be shuffling stuff around, put the bikes in the attic or the basement. I should make a ramp and drive the Grom up into the attic, but probably put it in the basement of the house. But here's the Kia, the good old Kia. Truck's out there. Pretty neat space to work with. I think I got 10-foot ceilings. I want to do a lift, but that's gonna be, you know, debatable how I want to do that, when I want to do that. Part of me wants to build like a pole building over here since I have so much property, and put the lift and stupid stuff over there and just leave this for cars. I don't know. There's a lot of possibility, so I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet. So I figured I'd just show you the new garage as a total disaster, so you can see like what my moving process has been like. But yeah, I got my own driveway, and then there's another driveway, so we each have our own garages and driveways, and everything's nice. Look at that backyard. So much property now. I need to buy like a 0-turn now. Jesus. But yeah, anyway, enjoy that. I'll throw this together in a video too. And motorcycle ramp. Anyway, yeah. I don't know the square footage. I'd have to figure it out for you, but it's the same size as the other one or bigger for sure, especially with the one in the front. And what's nice is everything stays segmented. All the nice stuff is in the front garage and all the crap is back here. I can just hit everything with a hammer past the office. So That's the big, main, interesting goal.